RS190 deactivated yeast is the baker's friend. It is made from live yeast that has undergone a special fermentation process and heat treatment. During the heat treatment, the yeast loses its fermentation capability and releases glutathione, a substance that is naturally present inside the yeast cell. It is the glutathione that has a reducing effect on the gluten network in the dough, and this effect begins to occur in the mixer, helping to develop the dough more quickly and, in some cases, reducing mixing time by up to 15%. The deactivated yeast makes dough more extensible and easier to shape, preventing tearing and reducing directional shrinkage during mechanical moulding. RS190 is a natural yeast product, so it can provide a clean label solution to dough conditioning for bread, pizza and pastry products. Since it has no fermentation capability itself, RS190 deactivated yeast should be used in conjunction with the usual level of yeast in a fermented dough. However, it is an excellent relaxing agent for non-fermented goods too, such as biscuits and crackers. For more information, please go to our website at www.lesaffre.uk.